Howdy folks, this is Tom Coleman here. I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up a campaign in My Lead System Pro. So if you're brand new to this, where it says start here, go and do this system setup, marketing boot camp, and go through and set everything up. That's the first thing that you need to do. Okay, but if you're wondering, I'm not going to take you through all that, but I am going to go to my websites and campaign management. We're going to set up our first campaign. I'm going to show you how to set up your first campaign for you, okay? So here we are, and we're going to, and I've already done this a couple of times trying to get this set up, and I kept messing it up. So that's how you delete a campaign if you want to know how to do that. All right. So we went to my website's campaign management. We're going to come over here and create a new campaign. Okay. Now, here's your campaign details, and this is where you start. Okay, so your campaign name is going to be demo, campaign description, demo, and these are just descriptions of the campaign to help you remember, and it's not going to show up anywhere, so you can put in whatever you want there. Now here's your group name, and again, this isn't going to show up anywhere, so I'm just going to name it demo 2, demo also. Now we're going to do split testing. So your group theme, we're going to start off with the black background in red, and we're going to split test it with a black background with blue. And your next thing is your lead page template. Okay, and we're going to do the Mlsp free presentation. That's the 19 checks per month. You'll notice that this is in red. Okay, welcome page template, we're going to leave that alone. And the sales page template, we're going to use the Mlsp intro long, and that's this one. And anytime anybody clicks on a web page, they just scroll down, and this has got all this information down here, testimonials and just all kinds of stuff.
Let's get into an.
It's a good presentation. Okay, this is the advanced option site group 2. Again, this is your demo, so we're going to say demo 2 on that one, just so that we know it's not the red one. That's going to be the group theme. On this one will be the black background blue. We're not going to put we are going to put a lead page template in. That's going to be the same one. It's going to be the Mlsp free presentation. Okay, we're going to preview that. That's the exactly same presentation. It's just a blue writing instead of red, and that should actually convert for you better, but you're going to find out. Okay, we're going to leave the welcome page template blank and go to the sales page template, and that's going to be the Mlsp intro long. Okay, and then if you've got your default autoresponder in there, it's going to show up here. If you have an autoresponder set up in here, if you've coordinated it with Aweber or the other one, I use Aweber. Just pick whatever one you want and hit Save Campaign. Okay, and there it is. You got your demo campaign. Okay, so when you click on it, you're going to come over here, and you want to do that because this is your campaign link. Okay, and that's what you drive traffic to. Now there's 2 ways to drive traffic to that. You can go to GoDaddy and set up a domain, and I would recommend that you go to GoDaddy because it's just easy to keep that separate, and they're real fast about getting things done, and they've got really good customer service. But if you go there, you can set up a domain, and then you could forward mask that domain to this link, so that when somebody clicks that domain, it'll come to this link that you've set up, and it'll transfer between the demo and demo 1 and demo 2, which that's your demo 1 and that's your demo 2. Okay, and then if they opt in, they go to that MLSP long form. So I'm going to pause it for a minute. I'm going to go to GoDaddy, and I'm going to show you how to set up a subdomain and forward it, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, I've logged into my GoDaddy account, and we're going to come over here to the top. You see where it says My Account here in black over on the right. We're going to click on that. We're going to come down to the next page where your domains are. It's got a green launch button. We're going to click on that. Let's see. I'm going to show you how to do this. I don't think I've got anything set up on this one on a subdomain, but it's TomColemanAttractionMarketing.com. That's a forwarded domain. I've got that forwarded. So what you do is you come up here. I'm going to show you how to set up a subdomain. You come up here to the forward button. You hover over it. You can either forward the domain or you can forward a subdomain, and they both work the same way, but this is how you set up a subdomain and forward it. And that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to add this subdomain, and we're going to say, let's see, MLM takeover. Let's see, MLM takeover. Okay, MLM takeover.TomColemanAttractionMarketing.com. Okay, and you come down here and it says forward this subdomain to, and we're going to paste our link in there from our campaign over on Mlsp, and it's already got the http:// in there, so we're going to take that out, and we're going to click on our advanced options right here. Okay, you can forward only, or you can forward with masking. And what you want to do is you want to forward with masking. The reason that you want to do that is because when you mask it, forward it and mask it, it's going to show up. Your subdomain in the URL will say MLM takeover.TomColemanAttractionMarketing.com. So it's going to say that instead of www.7figuremastermindteam.com. Okay, so forward with masking. Come down here and click OK. Okay, and on GoDaddy you can add 252 subdomains. So it's a great little thing. So you just click OK, and that's that. And that'll propagate pretty quickly. It might be up in 5 or 10 minutes. At the most, it'll take a day. But that's it. So if you have any questions or want to get hold of me, just go to my blog, which again is workwithtomcoleman.com. And I hope this has been helpful to you. Have a great day.